Well, hi everybody again this week, and as you can see, we did head out to Cheynes Beach after all. The weather turned out quite nice, so I hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see, from many peaks we decided we were turning right, as we were almost at Cheynes Beach anyway. So here we are. This is the main beach, and this is where most of the accommodation is. Here's a caravan park here, there's fuel supplies and a few shops. Beautiful place. This is the main beach looking south, back towards the ocean. There's a little peninsula that sticks out and comes around the corner to protect the beach from the southerly swells. And as we swing back around to look to the north, you can see the rest of the beach. This beach must run for about 6 or 7 kilometres. I was going to dip my toes in the water to test the temperature, but I had some fish and chips in the buzz going cold, so we called it a day for late lunch. You can see from this shot that there's not many people on the beach at all. In fact, everybody's still at school, I think, the kids, so it's very, very quiet. Summertime here, you can't move. There's not even a spot to park the car. The water is very shallow and runs out a long way before it gets above head height, so it's very popular with the kiddies. Very popular with grown-ups too. And as you can see today, there's not very much swell at all. Maybe 8 inches, 6 inches maybe. In fact, I could probably fly a model airplane on here today. Oh, no, I better not. Better leave it in the car. Now, as we swing around, we can see that the sun is starting to get low a little bit. It's about 4 o'clock. We've still got about an hour to drive home, so we better start thinking about making tracks. Now, where's my little mate gone? He's in the buzz last time I saw him. He's on his lead because he tends to run away down the beach or up the beach, and I have to chase him for miles. Where is he? He's in here somewhere. There he is. That's my little mate. Did you finish off that fish? He wouldn't eat the chips, so he just had fish. Alright, we'll start packing up and we'll head to the other end of the beach and we'll take some photos or videos or all of the above. Oh, it says I still have 10 minutes worth of flying. Oh well, let's keep going for a little while. As we come over the top of these trees, you can see that little peninsula that sticks out and just protects from the swell a little bit. A spin around. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Now you can see the peninsula. Now these are just beach shacks or holiday shacks, and the holiday shacks run maybe one street back from the beach, and then it turns into more regular housing. Now as you can see here, this is the main road coming in over the hills. Mount Many Peaks is way off in the distance, you can see, and these are the first 2 rows of proper houses. Swing around a little bit to the left and there's some more houses here. This is the park that we're parked in, and one more swing around will give us a shot hopefully of the caravan park, which is just up in those trees on the top left. There you can see Mini with their solar panels, and that's a better shot of the park, and looking back towards Two People's Bay peaks that you can see way up in the distance. And with a final swing around, as we see across the ocean here, you can see way up in the distance where the sun house is. That's the end of the beach, so it's a good 7 or 8 kilometres away. Back around now towards the town and the main road coming in, and Minnie sitting under the trees. And with one final look at the beach, we take off into the sunset. It's time to start packing up and start heading home. I just had a look at the clock and it's 4:30, 4:45 in the afternoon, so we've still got an hour's drive to go home yet. But everything should be alright. We'll just have a swing around and let you see again how beautiful this place is. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe so you get notifications when new videos are put up to see. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.